Let's look at this question under electricity or current electricity in our physics science paper 1. So let's go through the question first of all. So the question reads to say figure B8.1 below shows a circuit diagram with a lamp connected to a 12-volt battery. Okay, so this is the diagram here. You can tell that it has a 12-volt battery here. You have a lamp right here, and you have current which is flowing in this direction. And you should know that current flows from a red terminal to a black terminal, or in other ways, current flows through a circuit from a positive terminal to a negative terminal. So since this is the direction of the current, that simply means that this is a positive terminal and this is a negative terminal, and this is our lamp right here. Okay, now question A, they are saying calculate the charge through the battery in 2 minutes. Calculate the charge passing through the battery in 2 minutes. So the first thing that you should understand is that we know the connection of the charge, because we know that current is the flow of charge with time in a circuit. So meaning that there is a connection between the charge, current and time, because current, it is the flow of charge with time. You can even say current is the flow of charge with time, and here you have been given time. So the first thing that I'm going to do is to convert these 2 minutes into seconds. So how do you do that? So to convert time, you should use the conventional units. So the conventional units, you should understand it so that I am converting 2 minutes here. So you should understand that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. You should understand that we have 2 minutes. So 2 minutes is equal to x. Cross multiply. 1 minute times x, you get 1 min x is equal to 2 minutes times 60 seconds. This will give us 120 minutes per second. So you divide by 1 minute, even here 1 minute, so that the 1 minute and 1 minute, the minute and the minute, 120 divided by 1, you get 120. So that simply means that x is equal to 120 seconds. So now this is our time, 120 seconds. So we know that instead of using 2 minutes, I am going to use 120 seconds. So therefore, they want us to calculate what? The charge. So the connection between charge, time, and current is connected by the formula, which is current is equal to charge over time. This is the formula. Current is equal to Q over T, which is charge over time. So what is the current? Current, we have 0.5. So we say 0.5 is equal to the charge, we don't know, over the time. I said 2 minutes is now 120. So we have 120. So therefore, over 1, cross multiply. 1 times charge, you are going to get charge is equal to. Then you multiply 0.5 times 120, which will give you 60. So charge is measured in coulomb. So this is our answer on question A. So the charge is 60 coulomb. Then we move on to question B. So question B, they are saying how much energy is transferred by the battery. How much energy is transferred by the battery? So how do you calculate energy? How do you calculate energy? So to calculate energy, there is a formula which actually says the energy is equal to the what voltage times the charge. This is the formula, okay? Energy is equal to voltage times the charge. So therefore, the energy is equal to voltage. We have a 12 volt here. This is the voltage. So we say 12 times the charge. So the charge, we have 60 right here. So you put a 60 here. So therefore, the energy is equal to 12 multiplied by 60. That will give you 720. So energy is measured in joules. So this is the answer right here. Question C. Calculate the resistance of the lamp. Calculate the resistance of the lamp. So how do you calculate the resistor of a lamp? So resistor, that is question C. You should know that a resistor is directly proportional to voltage and inversely proportional to current. So therefore, the resistor we don't know. Then voltage we have a 12 here. So we have 12 over current, we have a 0.5. So 0.5. So resistor is equal to 12 divided by 0.5. That will give you a 24. So we say 24. Resistor is measured in ohms. So this is the answer here. Thank you for watching. This is how you were supposed to answer this question B8 of science paper 1, which is physics under electric current.